When your Ford displays the electrical system overvoltage stop safely warning, it's alerting you to a potentially serious electrical problem that requires immediate attention. This dashboard warning appears when your vehicle's electrical system voltage exceeds the normal operating range. The warning is designed to protect your vehicle's sensitive electronic components from damage. Ford's electrical system operates within a specific voltage range. Normal operation occurs between 12.6 and 14.4 volts. When voltage exceeds 16.5 volts, the overvoltage warning is triggered to prevent component damage. The most common cause, accounting for 40% of cases, is a faulty alternator voltage regulator. When the internal regulator fails, it can no longer control the alternator's voltage output, leading to dangerous overvoltage conditions. Battery management system malfunctions account for 25% of overvoltage warnings, particularly in Ford's hybrid and electric vehicles. Software glitches in voltage monitoring algorithms can trigger false warnings or fail to regulate charging properly. Corroded or loose electrical connections cause 20% of overvoltage warnings. This includes ground strap corrosion, battery terminal oxidation, and alternator wiring harness issues that disrupt proper voltage regulation. Powertrain control module software issues account for 15% of cases. Outdated firmware or calibration errors in voltage thresholds can cause false warnings or prevent proper electrical system management. Modern Ford vehicles use a sophisticated smart charging system with 4 key components working together. The intelligent alternator provides variable output control, while the battery monitoring sensor tracks real-time battery status. The load management system optimizes electrical distribution throughout the vehicle, while multiple voltage sensors monitor the electrical network. This complexity makes diagnosis challenging, but provides better protection for your vehicle's electronics. Ignoring the overvoltage warning can lead to serious and expensive damage. Electronic control modules, batteries, and other electrical components can be permanently damaged by excessive voltage. When this warning appears, stop driving safely as soon as possible and seek professional diagnosis. Early intervention can prevent costly repairs and ensure your Ford's electrical system continues operating safely and reliably. Ford overvoltage troubleshooting follows a systematic diagnostic sequence. We start with basic assessment to identify the root cause quickly and accurately. First, test the battery voltage with the engine off. Normal voltage should read between 12.4 and 12.6 volts. Then start the engine and check that voltage rises to 13.8 to 14.4 volts during charging. Next, visually inspect all electrical connections. Look for corrosion, loose terminals, or damaged wiring. Corroded connections are a common cause of voltage irregularities. Use a diagnostic scanner to check for related trouble codes. Modern Ford vehicles store detailed error codes that can pinpoint the exact cause of the overvoltage warning. For persistent issues, perform advanced testing. Load test the alternator across different RPM ranges, interrogate the battery management system, and conduct voltage drop tests on the charging circuit. Voltage drop testing reveals hidden connection problems. Measure voltage across connections under load. Readings above 0.2 volts indicate resistance issues that can cause overvoltage warnings. Check for PCM software updates and ensure proper battery registration. Ford regularly releases software updates that resolve overvoltage false warnings, especially in hybrid and electric models. The most common solutions include alternator replacement using Ford-approved parts, battery management system recalibration through software updates, and cleaning corroded electrical connections. Following this systematic diagnostic sequence significantly improves resolution success rates. Start with basic tests, progress to advanced diagnostics only when needed, and always verify repairs with post-service testing.